Shoutout sa mga tatay dyan. So, andito kami ngayon sa Costco, ano? Dumiretso kami dito pagtapos ng football ni Marco. Salata. Yan mga sa watch. Cellphone. 16. 599. 9.
I'm trying to figure out which one's which by looking at the camera, but I can't see the camera.
You know. Kung ganito, ano ka, yung TV, oh. Daming AirPods dito, oh. Oh, saan gusto ng AirPods? AirPod Max. So, kunin mo lang to, oh. Speaker. JBL. Microphone pa. Party box ito pala yun. X-Factor. It's not this, not that bad though. On show. On show. Yung price niya is 107. Ito yung pinaka ano, paborito namin, sample. Oh, that's nice. What sample is that? Salt, vinegar.
Sea salt, barbecue, and salt and vinegar.
Oh, okay. Oh, that one is sea salt. Oh. I like barbecue. Barbecue is nice. Sarap ng barbecue. Religious luggage.
Marcus got that, didn't it?
Yeah. So, ang dami ng tao dito sa Costco. Busy ngayon, Min, no? Busy. Hello. So, let's go to, ano na? Sorry. Let's go to, ano? Oh, that one. But that's nice.
You know, 150 each. Go na.
Nice.
But that's... Marco, are you gonna push?
Nabili na. Sabad na tong ito na ito, 620 pounds. 16 pieces yan. Grabe, dami. Ubus pera mo dito. Kailangan talaga control. Marunong ka mag-control dito. Mga damit. Wholesale kasi itong Costco guys. Wholesale dito sa UK. So kung mahilig ka mag-ugas sa sasakyan mo, dito maganda. Ano? Ano lang. 15. Beers. Stella, magkano yung Stella? 32 pounds. Yan ang buko na to. Puro beer yun yan. Corona. Oh, that's nice. Maghanap na naman tayo ng mga ano, free samples. So dito kami, ang kuha talaga namin dito sa Costco guys is, ang goal namin talaga dito is bigas. Bigas lang. Nakita ni Mrs. yung paborito niyang ano, langka.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. May talo sila yan kanina, talo sila. 4-0. Binakul sila, binakul. That's a big it's onion, isn't it? Look how massive onion this one.
Massive.
Yeah.
You know what else is massive?
Look at this. Oh, this one is right. We need to buy this. This one onion, it's cooked.
What?
Ano, cookies, oh. Oh. Belgian chocolate brownies. Cakes. Pandesal. Pandesal sila dito, yan o. Mini crops. Oh god, baby. Carrot cake.
Too sweet.
Mangga. Pila mangga?
$7.99. Ah, large.
Large mango. Ay, muta lang dyan nga ano, flamingo nga mango. Amura, bakit amura?
This one. Gatag 10 pounds.
Good be.
Wait, ang iban, bukot maluto. Maluto para iharad.
Yeah, ito para.
The other way.
Lagi ng watermelon, no? Natin to. Ba tayo isa?
Can I eat it?
Ito yung isda dito. Itong isda dito, sea bream. Red. Tsaka ito yung kulay niya. Butter. We didn't try this red one, innit? Ito salmon. Ganda itong salmon sa kamatisan. I'll try this red. Meat section nila. So, yan ang meat section nila. Nandun yan sa dulo. Okay, ma? Enjoy dito yung sample eh. Get it, ma'am. I got one. Sample.
A burrito, please.
Burrito. Nice. Meat. Laki ng cake ko. Cake. Egg surprise. Marco. Keith, Marco. Egg surprise. So gusto niya try yung chicken fillet burger. 12 pounds. Marco wants to try that. They're ready? Oh, ready na yung isa. Hindi pala gusto niya. Let me see. Marcos likes this.
Give.
It's hot.
Really good.
It's good.
Soft as well on the inside.
Marco said it's good and it's soft inside. See, it's soft inside. Oh yeah.
Can we get it?
Ayan. Bit na siya ng niya. Sarili niyang pagkain.
We haven't done that.
That's it now. We're done now. We're going to get some rice. That's it. So the rice is there now. That's why, yeah, she bought this. He bought this.
Oh my goodness.
That buns.
Proper.
This one's strong.
It's got fun.
Yeah, there's popcorn. Oh, crisp. Grabe yung laking warehouse nito. Oh, nandun sa dulo yan guys, oh. Nag-renew lang ako ng membership ko ngayon kasi matagal na kami din nakabalik dito. So, bali 43 pounds.
Yeah, I think I'm peekaboo.
So, siyempre, routine na namin to bago kami umuwi dito. Shopping sa Costco, dito na kami kumakain. Yung mga pagkain nila. Tapos na dessert. Yung gusto natin yung chicken bake. Chicken bake. Ito nakalabas eh. Oh, watch out. So yan lahat yung mga pinamili namin. Siyempre bigas. Yan lahat. So overall 322 pounds. So kayo na humusga.